My name is Julie, and today is another episode of Frugal Mama Reviews, where I try out an item, a product, a service, and tell you if I think it is worth your hard-earned money.
And today, it's Disney diamond paintings. Okay. Thank you, New Craft Day, for today's fabulous treasures. Be sure to look in the video description for a very special link just for Frugal Mama's friends. So let's talk about this while I go ahead and start opening these up, because I can't wait. So given their full catalog, yes, of diamond painting and cross stitch, it should be no surprise at all that I went 100% Disney. It also, unfortunately, for those who know Frugal Mama pretty well, you will know that cross stitch, unfortunately, is no longer part of my life. I do suffer with pretty severe rheumatoid arthritis, but I have found that the tools needed for diamond painting, I have been able to hold those and to use them, and I find so much of the same joy, relaxation, the creative artistic outlet that I had with cross stitching. So definitely check the catalog of all the fabulous cross stitching if that is something that you are still able to enjoy. But then also let me know if you have tried diamond painting, one, and then also two, especially if you also suffer from arthritis, whether it's rheumatoid or otherwise, in your hands. Have you found, or are you going to try, and then of course let me know, have you found yourself more able to use, like, see how the diamond painting pen, look at that. Have you found yourself able to use that more so than cross stitching? Seriously, I have one cross stitching thing left from when my daughter, who is turning 11 this month, from when she was a baby, that I still have not finished. So first, oh no, look at this. Mickey and Minnie, you guys know I am a Disney addict, absolutely and proudly a Disney adult. So we've got this. Here's all of the fabulous little gems, the diamond dots, everything that you could possibly need, and then the tools and the wax that you will need. I don't know if you can tell by my just gloriously nasally sexy voice today that Mama is under the weather. But what better to spend my downtime on, well, than diamond painting. Also, it's supposed to rain today, so you know there's gonna be Mama, diamond painting, coffee, and the beautiful sound of rain outside. So we've got this one. All right, super excited for that. Then we have Winnie the Pooh. I don't know how many of you know, but my family and I are heading to Disneyland together next month, the month of May. I am so excited. It is the first time we've all been there together in ages. Actually, since, right before I got this tattoo, which was for graduating with my degree, we went the day after graduation, and that was our first and only time all of us together at Disneyland. And we are doing it again, and some of you might know we have been through quite a few things the past couple of years, so super excited. Anyway, stay tuned. We will be documenting all of that on our vlogging channel, Frugal Family Flies Again. So, okay, this is fabulous. I love this. I will probably do this one myself, but not today. I think I'm going to start with Mickey and Minnie. I don't know. We'll see. Because one of these I'm giving to my daughter, and that's this next one. But also, and this is super exciting, one of these is going to be included in the end of April giveaway for all of our Frugal Family friends. That will be happening on our main channel, The Frugal Family. So be sure to tell us in the comments. I will leave a link to our main channel. Hop over there to any video, and in the comments tell us you are subscribed, you've liked, you've shared, and that you want to be entered into April's end of the month contest giveaway, so that you will get many fabulous goodies, most of them from sponsors, one of which will be one of these fabulous diamond paintings. Okay, sorry, super excited. So anyway, okay, let me show you the one for my daughter that I know is for my daughter, and let me try to not confuse these, although they do, let's see, or at least, yes, no, they all are, this is fabulous. They are all marked with the model number, so that's good. Oh, yep, see? Okay, fantastic. Because I'm a little bit of a space cadet, especially while under the weather, just a smidge. And so it's wonderful that, yes, they do have the number on them, and that's also on the corresponding beads or diamond dots. Ooh, look how pretty those are. Those have got to be the Winnie the Pooh ones. Oh no. Okay, this is a new sponsor for us. Hopefully they hopefully they've actually watched some of my videos and know that I'm a little much. Even when sick, I am much. And especially when it comes to Disney. Okay, so the one for my daughter, this is my oldest daughter, Olivia. She adores Baby Yoda. This is what I ordered for her. Oh, stop it. Stop it. And there you go. There's the corresponding set of diamond dots and the tools. Next. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! So these are fabulous. I'm going to tell you what I love. They are your regular diamond dot painting, exactly what I would expect. They're fabulous. They're Disney. They have the cover. All of this is sticky. It's color coded. You just find, oh, this is the letter K. You look up here, that's letter K. It's number 4 or color 315. You go in here, there's 315. How convenient. 315 is right there, clearly marked. And you go ahead and open them one at a time. And you could get diamond dot painting and cross stitching from any number of companies and providers. That's absolutely true. But what I have loved about this company are a couple of things. I love the prices. I absolutely adore the variety, the selection. You're going to find something for anyone and everyone. Now, not everyone is going to be into cross stitch or diamond dot painting, and that's fine. It's fair. Nobody's perfect. Okay. But for those who are interested, there will be something. They have every category. They have every genre. They have every topic. Anything that someone might be interested in, they have a diamond dot or cross stitch or some other, because they have other goodies too. They have something for everyone. That is the point. There is something for everyone and at very reasonable prices. Not only that, really good customer service and communication. I have been thrilled with the communication that I have enjoyed with this company.
I just love the sparkles, the sparkly sparkleness of the sparkles.
On a rainy, nasally day, there just aren't many things better to do than some diamond dot painting, Disney style or whatever you're into, with a fabulous cup of coffee, lots of sparkles, lots of shiny happiness. I am loving this project. This is the perfect way to spend this kind of day. Thank you, New Craft Day, for this fabulous collection of Disney diamond dot paintings. Oh, my friends, please be sure to check the link in the video description. Not only are these perfect for a sick day, but hey, Mother's Day's coming up, so there's a fabulous gift idea. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all very soon.